The 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: tilt steering wheel, skid plates, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment with our dealership.